Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a mini jet fan compressed air duster, and it says violent fan. And I want to show you guys what this one is here. I got one that said it was one of the best rated and highest power. So here we go. We'll see everything that's in there. It comes with, I guess, a warranty card. It comes with a user manual. Oop, came with a little bag to store it in, as well as a little chamois cloth, I guess, to kind of clean it up with. And then we have the device right here. We have a charging cord, which is going to charge, it looks like, from USB to USB-C. And then we have the little apparatus that's going to connect up to the fan, I guess, so it'll blow through and make it there. And then on the back, so I'll show you guys here what we got here. We have on the back, we have the little power button, and that's probably where it's going to have all the different lights. There it has a single light. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but we'll figure it out. We have the USB-C charger here, and that's probably the little lights there showing the battery power. It looks like it's all lit up now. And then we can choose, I guess, the strength through here. Let's see, how do we get this thing on? Oh, here we go. So we have it on. Here's the little fan button. Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh, when I pushed it, it had such kickback. I want to show you guys this. I'm going to aim it at my face. And you can see it's blowing my hair away. Holy mac, this would be great for like the car. You could totally blow everything of it. You could clean up anything. Wow, that's crazy. So you hold it down. It's totally giving kickback. That's awesome. Look at that. It's blowing my curtains over there. And that's so far away. It's blowing those curtains. Look at my puppy down there. I don't know if you can see. Watch. Look, there's Penny. Penny, look. Whee. There, she's getting blown away. It'll blow things in the other room. Okay. This is like the coolest, funnest thing. So it's super, super neat. Super easy to use. And then I guess I hold down the power button to turn it off if I just don't want to use it, so I don't push the buttons by accident. That is super great. Man, that is wild. Okay, this is one of the coolest things. So totally neat. I'm using it to clean out my 3D printer that I have over here because I get a bunch of little boogers and stuff all over it. So that'll help clean it up. So super cool, really neat. Man, that's powerful. Thumbs up.